Hi, my name is Alexa. In this video, I'll show you how to create and customize a pie chart in Microsoft Excel. We'll create a pie chart, customize its design, and explore some useful options in Excel. Let's start. Here we have a simple table with categories and values. To create a chart, you can select the table or simply place your cursor anywhere inside it. Excel will detect the data automatically. Go to the Insert tab and choose Pie Chart. When you hover over the options, Excel shows a preview. You can choose a 2D pie chart, 3D pie chart, or a donut chart. Let's select the 2D pie chart. Excel creates the chart immediately. You can move the chart anywhere on the sheet by dragging it. You can also resize it using the handles on the sides or corners. Just adjust it the way you like. Now I want to show you something important. When you click on the chart, the table data becomes highlighted. Excel shows exactly which data is used for this chart. If we reduce the selected range, the chart updates immediately. You can see that the chart changes right away. Let's select the entire table again. Pie charts in Excel are dynamic. That means if you change the data in the table, the chart updates automatically. You can copy the chart with Ctrl+C and paste it with Ctrl+V. To delete it, simply select the chart and press Delete. You can also copy it to another sheet with Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. When you click on the chart, two additional tabs appear in the menu, Chart Design and Format. Open Chart Design. Here you will find the button Move Chart. Click it and choose New Sheet, then give the sheet a name. Now the chart appears on its own sheet and it is no longer on the original worksheet. This option is useful if you want to print the chart or present it separately. If you want to move the chart back, go to Chart Design, click Move Chart, choose Object In, and select your worksheet. Now the chart is back on the main sheet and the separate chart sheet disappears. Now let's customize the design of the chart. Go to Chart Design and open Quick Layout. Here Excel provides several prepared layouts with different arrangements of chart elements. When you hover over them, you can see a preview. Let's choose Layout 2. Next, we have Change Colors. Here, Excel offers several ready-made color palettes for the chart. You can quickly switch between them and see which one looks better. For this example, we'll keep this color scheme. You can also choose a ready-made chart style. These presets change the overall look of the chart. The same options are available on the right side of the chart. Click the brush icon and you'll see the same styles and color themes. To rename the chart title, simply double-click it and type a new name. You can also control the title from the menu. Go to Chart Design, add Chart Element, Chart Title. Here you can remove the title, place it above the chart, or place it directly over the chart using Centered Overlay. The same options are available through the plus icon next to the chart. If you open more options, you'll see additional formatting settings. Let me show you how to rotate the title vertically. In Format Chart Title, go to Title Options, then Alignment. Here you'll find Text Direction, which allows you to rotate the text. After that, you can move the title to the side and resize the chart. If you select the title, a panel appears where you can change the font, size, color, and other text settings. Let's return the title to its original position. You can also explore more formatting options. In the Format tab, you'll find ready-made word art styles for the title and different text formatting options. In Shape Styles, you can apply themes to the whole chart or to individual elements. Now let's talk about data labels. You can manage them through Add Chart Element, Data Labels. Here you can place labels inside the slice, outside the slice, or let Excel position them automatically with Best Fit. You can also use Data Callout, which places labels outside the chart. The same settings are available using the plus icon next to the chart. If you open more options, you'll see additional settings. Here you can show the value or the category name and keep the percentages. You can also choose a separator between the values. Let's select Best Fit and make the chart a little bigger. You can also format the labels in the Format tab. Here you can change the color, adjust the text style, or apply different shape styles to make the labels stand out. Now let's make a few visual changes. First, select the chart and apply a blue monochrome color theme. Next, I want to remove the borders between the slices. Double-click the chart area to open the Format Chart Area panel. Then, click the slices to open Series Options. Go to Border and choose No Line. Now let's separate one slice from the chart. This is called exploding a slice. Simply click a slice and drag it slightly away from the center. If you want to change the color of that slice only, go to Format, Shape Fill. Here you can choose a different color, apply a gradient, add a picture, or even a texture. You can explode several slices if you want. To return them, simply drag them back toward the center. Now let's look at the legend. Using Add Chart Element, you can move the legend to different positions, for example right, left, top, or bottom. If you open More Options, you'll find additional settings. Here you can add a fill, apply a gradient, insert a texture, and adjust other formatting options. Another useful feature is chart filtering. On the right side of the chart, there is a filter icon. When you hover over the categories, Excel highlights the corresponding slice. Let's temporarily hide a couple of categories. The chart updates immediately. Notice that the percentage of the transport category increases. Excel recalculates the percentages based on the visible data. Let's turn the categories back on. Now let's move the exploded slice back into place. Now go to Chart Design. Here you'll also see options like Switch Row and Column and Select Data, where you can edit the data source. But now let's change the chart type. Click Change Chart Type. Here you can change the chart to another type, like a column, line, donut, or another pie chart. Let's take a look at Pie of Pie. This chart is useful when your data has several small values. Excel moves the smaller categories into a second pie chart on the right, making the chart easier to read. Double-click the chart to open Format Chart Area, then click the chart to open Format Data Series. Go to Series Options. Here you can control how the second pie chart works. Values in Second Plot controls how many categories move to the second pie. You can also adjust the spacing using gap width, change the size of the second pie, or use Pie Explosion to slightly separate all slices from the center. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.